Today, I'm excited to share how to create an indie screen for your YouTube videos. Hey creators, my name is Krishna. Welcome to PerspecTube channel, where I share our tips and tricks to continue to grow your YouTube channel. Indie screens are a powerful tool to boost your views and watch time. When viewers reach the end of your videos, you want to hook them on your content. And there it comes the magic of your indie screen. In those final 5 to 20 seconds, make a strong recommendation what they should watch next. You don't need to do any graphics design, animation, or anything complex to create an indie screen. First, we have the simplest option. As I'm ending this video, I could say, hey, thanks for watching. Here's the playlist and here is another video. See you on the next one. And add the playlist and the recommended video on the left-hand side or right-hand side of the screen, along with the subscribe button. This is a great starting point and YouTube allowed to adjust your indie screen. And the second option is you can use the YouTube outro template from Canva. The downside of this is you are not verbally prompting to your viewers to watch another video. The third and the best option is what I'll be using going further. You can record by yourself by saying and pointing. For example, if you're watching this video, you should check out this video. And here is the playlist. Simple, right? This method is the best method because I'm still visible in this screen, just shifted over slightly. This way it's easier for our viewers to find and follow our recommendation. Now let's get onto the computer and I'll walk you through these each step to set it up. Everything we are going to do today you can do in free version of Canva. I'll put a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the free account. If you choose to upgrade to Canva Pro, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now let's jump right into the computer screen. Open a Canva and search for YouTube outro. You'll be listed with the free and paid templates. Select an animated video template and let's customize it. First thing, let's change the background color to match our brand color. The other thing is you can customize your time, how long you should play this video. Click on the timer and make an adjustment. Between 5 to 10 seconds for indie screen are reasonable time to show the indie screen videos. I'll rename the channel name over here and let's change the color to white. Let's make this one as a YouTube playlist and this one as a recommended video. Let's remove the square shape as well, as we are going to attach the video over here and the playlist over here. If that works for you, then download this video. Now let's attach this template to our video. Let's add to the indie screen of our video like this. Now when we upload this video to YouTube, we can adjust the playlist and the recommended video over here. Now other option is the green screen feature. Let's hover to the Canva again. This time let's create a custom design which is 1920 by 1080px. We'll be making simple background with the brand color. Let's add a blue color as a background color. Let's add a screen element as a rectangle element from the element side. Let's fill the color as a green for the rectangle. And now let's make it a bit bigger like this. Tilt a bit by rotating this icon over here. Let's make it a bit bigger, the shape that covers the whole screen. Let's move this one on the right hand side like this. It will cover the 30% of your screen. And you can adjust for your liking. And now we are good to go. Now let's download this picture. Now let's download this as a PNG image as suggested. Import to your video editor. I'm using CapCut over here. Add to the video timeline. Add your green screen template. Now adjust the template by moving on the top of your video like this. Now let's remove the green screen. Click on remove background and click over here. Now pick the color as a green and then increase the intensity. There you go. Now let's adjust our video. On the right hand side, yes, it is looking good and you are good to go. When you upload this video on YouTube, you can adjust the playlist and the recommended video. If this video is being helpful to you, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. If you want to check out how to make a YouTube banner, click on this video over here. See you on the next video. Until then, stay creative.